Installing Python IDLE. Python 3.8.5 is automatically installed when you install Ubuntu 20.04. To check Python, open the terminal and type the following command, $python3. After typing the command, when you press the enter key, the Python prompt will appear. You can directly use the Python commands on the Python prompt. After typing the command, when you press the enter key, Python prompt will give you output instantly. You can exit from the Python prompt by using the exit command. You can also install the Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, separately. It is a code editor which helps you to write and execute Python programs in the editor itself. Follow the below steps to install Python IDLE. Step 1. Open the terminal and type the following command, $sudo apt get install IDLE -python 3.8. Step 2. Press the enter key. When you press the enter key, terminal will ask you to enter the password.